Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the book. There is a link down in the description below, or you can find it on Amazon. If you were to buy the book, I do get a small commission. Looks like today we're doing number 185. So let's work on this box here. We're just missing a 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 3. For this column, we're missing 4 and 6. I don't see any help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2. I don't see any help, so 1, 2, 1, 2. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 and 3 here, so this is our 2, 1, 3. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row now, we're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. Got an 8 there, so 1, 4, 4 there, so 1, 8. And this one is again 1, 4. That means our 8 has to be here. And for this row, we're also missing a 9, which can't be there or there, so it must be here. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. I don't see any help. So 2, 8, 2, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 6, 7. For this row now, we're missing a 4. And for this box, we're missing a 2. That makes this our 8, 2. For this row now, we're missing a 3. And for this box, we're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 8, and an 8 here, so 4, 6. That means our 8 has to be here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 2 and 4 here, so this is our 1, 2, 4, 1. Right, so this row is 4 and 6. This bottom row, we're only missing a 7, so we can just fill these in. 4, 6, 4, 6. And there we have today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you again tomorrow with our next puzzle.